How's it, everybody? I'm back with another hotel review video. This time, I'm back at the Palms. Huh? How's it, everybody? Back with another hotel review video. This time, I'm back at the Palms. Let's go. All right, so I'm at the main entrance, right where the valet parking is. About to head to the desk and check in.
Yeah, Johnny, maybe you've been drinking on the job.
What's going on with that music?
Oh, wow. Huh, this might be nicer than fantasy.
When
All right, so I just got to the room and I must say, I'm liking this style a little more than the Fantasy Tower. Just a little. As you step in the room, as you can see, it has that modern look, that modern artsy look. As you first greeted, as usual, you even got the mini bar with all your snacks and chocolates, and also got a fridge that has a lot of drinks and alcohol. If you really need to eat or drink any of these stuff at the mini bar, do so. You're free to do it. But once you grab it, it's definitely gonna go charge it to your room. 3 drawers to put your stuffs in. Over here, you got the 48-inch Samsung TV. There's a little sitting area right here in front of the TV, which looks pretty cool. Look like got that alligator skin deal, but I don't think that's your alligator though. Then right here, you got your workstation where you can get some work done while you're on vacation. Why am I doing this rhyming stuff? Frick! Right in this corner is your closet. It has extra pillows, got an ironing board, iron, clothes hangers, the safe. So if you got some valuables and want to put it in your safe, it's right in the closet. They got this 2-color lounge chair, looks pretty cool, and it's pretty comfortable. I laid on it for a while and almost fell asleep. Then you got your queen size bed right above it. You got a lady looking at you while you're sleeping. Ain't that creepy? Both sides you got lamps. One side you got the standing lamp with a telephone, and the other side you got your table lamp with your clock. Then right here is the bathroom. It has your usual stuff. You got your toilet. You got your sink with the 2 mirrors on the side, so if you want to do your makeup, you can do it right here. Then they have a shower tub right here. Looks pretty cool. Then sometimes when you're traveling and you forgot to buy soap and stuff, Palms got you. They got conditioner, shampoo, body wash, and moisturizer. And they also got bar soap, so if you want to wash your hands. So that's the room tour. It looks a little smaller than the Fantasy Tower. I think the Fantasy Tower is 660 square feet, while here is 440 square feet. Oh, and last but not least, check out the view. Oh, here's my view. Oh crap, wait, let me check that. All right, much better. So y'all looking at the north side of Vegas, in front of the Gold Coast, and there's the Rio. So now I'm just gonna relax, waiting for my mom and brother to get here. Supposed to meet up with them. We're gonna go watch movies at Brandon's IMAX Theater. Oh, we're gonna watch The Beekeeper. It looks like a pretty good movie with Jason Statham. So I'm just gonna relax till then. Maybe might go down a little bit early, gamble a little bit. I'll catch y'all in a bit. I just got out of the movies watching Beekeeper, and Beekeeper is pretty sick. Y'all gotta watch it. Okay, right now I'm having a late dinner at Noodles. It's the first time trying this place and heard there's some good reviews on it and hopefully it's really good. The two dishes I got is the Singapore noodles and the deluxe fried rice. You know me, I love fried rice, so can't wait to try it and I'll let you know how it is. So I just got my food and it looks really delicious. Like I said, I got the Singapore noodles and the deluxe fried rice. I'm about to go in. I'll let y'all know how it is. And before you ever go eat at an Asian restaurant, please learn how you use chopsticks. Don't ask for fork. It's kind of embarrassing, in my opinion. So learn how to use chopsticks, especially when you go on a date and you want to impress your girl or whatever. Use chopsticks. All right, I'm gonna eat right now. All right, well, that was good. So I just got back from eating some noodles and this is really good. It was pretty fulfilling. Couldn't eat it all because each one is served for at least 4 to 6 people. Kind of a late night. I was going to check out Ghost Bar, but I'm too tired and I'm too full. Maybe next time when I stay at a upgrade room over here at the Palm. Right now I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna head to bed, sleep good, and I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, good morning. Just woke up and about to get some breakfast before I check out. Alright, so I'm over here eating breakfast at Serrano Vista Cafe. They got a lot of variety for breakfast stuff, especially like for the healthy people. Griddles, egg, pastries, whatever. I think I might go for buttermilk pancakes because I like eating pancakes for breakfast. But one that caught my eye is the Loco Moco. As you guys don't know, Loco Moco is one of the most popular plate lunches in Hawaii. And I guess over here they have their own version of it, so it's gonna be a toss-up between the Loco Moco or the buttermilk pancake. I don't know which one to get. I guess when they take my order, I'll pick. I'll let you know what I get in a few. Oh, and they also have their breakfast specials for $7.77. So the buttermilk pancakes, it comes with a full stack or a short stack, which is $13 to $10. And the Loco Moco is $19. It also comes with half-pound Wagyu beef steak, jasmine rice, brown gravy, 2 eggs, any style you want. I don't know, it's hard to choose. I don't know which one to get. Good thing I came at the right time because now the line is starting to get longer and it's gonna get busy around this time. All right, now I'm just waiting for my food. Okay, so last minute, I decided to get the buttermilk pancake. I know I'll come back here again, so I'll get the Loco Moco another time, but I got these buttermilk pancakes with banana on it, and I must say, look how huge this thing is. Bigger than my head. I'm kind of hungry though, so I think I can eat all this. I'll get back with you in a few after I'm done with this. Wish me luck. Damn, this thing is stacked. It's kind of hard to cut. God night. I know this is too much, but I'm gonna try it right now. Pretty good. It's in the mid. It's not as wet or dry as middle, which is what I like. I can't really eat dry pancakes. It's just, I don't know, it doesn't seem right.
2 hours later.
Damn. This buttermilk pancake was too much. I gotta get a half stack next time instead of a full one. 4 pancakes, I thought I can get it, but I gotta take an L on this one. All right, after this, I'm gonna go. Hopefully I get lucky on the slots. Then I'll go back to my room before I check out. I'll let you know how I feel about the Ivory Room. All right, so I just got back from eating breakfast at... Girl, don't look at me like that. You're gonna get it. All right, so I just got back from eating breakfast at Serrano Vista Cafe, and it's a really good place to eat breakfast at. I recommend it. So in this review, I'm just gonna do a room review. As the last video, I did a whole hotel review at the Palms. I was staying at the Fantasy Tower. So I'm just gonna do the room instead. So here's all my pros and cons about the room. And I don't have much because I'm just doing the room, not the whole hotel. So the pros of this room is the style. Compared to the Fantasy Room, I like this style a little better. This is more my style with the modern artsy look. And the furniture and how the whole room is set up. I don't know about that right there because that's kind of creepy. Especially when you're falling asleep and she's just looking down at you like, hey big boy. Otherwise than that, I like the style of room. It's half dark, half light. Bring it together. So I think the difference is, besides the style, the size TV. This TV right here is a 48, while the Fantasy Room is a 65. And the Ivory Room is a little smaller in square feet compared to the Fantasy Tower. And both rooms I stayed at are the standard rooms, so I haven't stayed at the suites, The suites are a little bigger in square feet, so eventually I will stay in one of those in the future, but we'll see what happens. The view's okay. I wish I had a better view, but we're getting the room for free. Comps, it's great. So all I had to pay for was the resort fee and deposit, which I will get back. But yeah, the room's really clean. I like the cleanliness. Housekeeping has done a really good job at keeping these rooms clean, so shout out to you, housekeeping. And the bed is really comfortable. I had a good long sleep. Even though I slept late because I got to the room late, I still slept good. As for the cons, I didn't really have much to say, only besides the bathroom. So I was taking a shower, I noticed that the water was going up. Even though it wasn't plugged, it was unplugged, the drain, and water was still coming up quick. I don't know if there's a drainage problem, if it's clogged or whatnot, but I didn't think that was because eventually it drained itself. So I went to pull up the lever so the head shower would come on. It didn't have much power and there was water still coming up from the bottom faucet. So I don't know if it's something that maintenance guys gotta fix. It was just for this room. I'm not saying all the other rooms are having the same problem as my room, but it was just my room. So don't take it as bad. You might get a room that doesn't have that problem. And I think this room that I got is the accessible room. I took notice when I took a shower, there's a whole bunch of handlebars all around the tub. But otherwise than that, everything seemed good. There's nothing bad about this room. Maybe I wish I had a better view, but that would be a little upgrade. As compared to the Fantasy Tower and the Ivory Tower, this would be a little older than the Fantasy Tower. And some of the faucets I've seen were kind of outdated or just old. And I think the Ivory Tower was the most recent renovated building. So that'll be a lot newer than here. All right, so now I gotta get ready and pack my stuff and about to check out soon. So if this video really helps you out, seeing what the Palms is about, please give a like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'll be doing more hotel reviews in the future at other different hotels, so stay tuned for that. Also, you can follow all my social media platforms, all in MannyFMB. I also have a food IG called Looking for Grinds, and I also do hoops, MannyFMB hoops. All right, so that's it. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha.
Ah, Coach. So that's what keeps you on your toes.
Could be.